Hi Style Bees, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you are a return subscriber, welcome. It's nice to have you back. So today's tutorial is titled How to Take a Detailed Measurement. This tutorial should have been uploaded a couple of weeks ago. However, we were super busy preparing for a festival. So as soon as the festival was over, I decided this is the right time to upload this video just for you. I hope you watch this video till the end, and if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our fashion tutorials. Thank you. Here I have my elastic and my measuring tape. Before I start taking the measurements of my model, first, I want to make sure I'm standing on the side of my model, and I'll put the elastic on her waist, and I'll start with the bust measurement. All these measurements are taken in circumference, so bust circumference, and I'll take the under bust in circumference, and also I'll take the waist measurement in circumference. While you're taking the measurement, you want to be sure there's ease. Next is the abdomen measurement. We move to the shoulder measurement. Remember, all those measurements are taken in circumference. Next is the hip measurement. So we'll take the hip measurement in circumference. You want to be sure your measuring tape is on the fullest part of the hip. For the bodies, we'll start with the center front and the full front length, and the bust point shoulder to the nipple. Next is the bust depth, which is from the shoulder to the under bust. The next measurement is the bust span, measuring from nipple A to nipple B. Next is across shoulder front, from one point of the shoulder to the other point of the shoulder. Now I will take the neck point to the shoulder point. Next is the front shoulder slant measurement. Next is the bust arc measurement. Next is the across chest measurement. The next measurement is from the armhole to the waist. Next is the center back measurement. Next is the back shoulder slant measurement. Next is the across back shoulder measurement. And now we move to the across back measurement. Here I want to get the arm length measurement, and then next I'll get the over arm length. Next is the biceps measurement. And now I want to get the elbow bend measurement. Next measurement is the around hand measurement. Next measurement is the elbow straight measurement. Next measurement is the 3/4 sleeve measurement. Next measurement is the wrist measurement. For the skirt and pants measurement, I'll take my center front measurement, which is from the waist all the way down to the floor. And then on the side, to get the side hip depth, I would take the measurement from the waist to the fullest part of the hip. That will give us our side hip depth. And also I will extend all the way down to get our knee length, to measure the knee from the waist all the way down to the knee, and then from the waist to get the ankle measurement all the way. I'll do the same for the center back measurement. Now for the pants measurement, I'm going to take the upper thigh measurement, and then I'll move to the mid thigh measurement. You want to make sure there's ease, and then I'll take the knee measurement, Next is the calf measurement. Next, we can get the ankle and the foot entry measurement. Next, for the pants, we want to get the crotch length. For the crotch length, you also want to check both front and back to see that the measurement is accurate. The last measurement is the body rise. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.